In this quick but life-changing lesson, I will give you the perfect 3-sentence cover letter that is going to get you hired in your dream job. If you want to get hired, make sure you stay tuned. And just very quickly, make sure you tell me the name of the position you are applying for in the comment section below the video so I can give you some great tips for your upcoming interview. Let's get started. To help you get hired, I will cover 3 things in this lesson. Number 1, I will explain the purpose of a cover letter. Most people think it's just a formal letter to introduce a CV or resume, but it is much more than that. Number 2, I will give you the perfect 3-sentence cover letter to use as part of your job application. And then finally, number 3, I will tell you how you can hire me to write your CV or resume for you. It's all well and good having a brilliant cover letter, but if your CV or resume is weak, you won't get hired. To begin with, let me explain the purpose of a cover letter. Take notes. Hiring managers and employers usually receive hundreds of applications for each job advert. The majority of candidates do not submit a cover letter. This is a big mistake. The purpose of a cover letter is to make the hiring manager think this person understands exactly what I need and I want to meet them. That is why your cover letter must grab the attention of the hiring manager. The best way to achieve that is to keep the cover letter to just 3 sentences. Hiring managers don't have much time. Keeping your cover letter concise and impactful will significantly increase your chances of getting invited to the interview. Now, your cover letter can either be sent as a printed document along with your CV or resume or as an email. In the next section of this lesson, I am actually going to give you 3 cover letters, not just 1. All you have to do is choose the one cover letter you think is the strongest. Write these down. Cover letter number 1. Dear hiring manager, RE, application for, insert the job role or reference. I am applying for the insert the job role position at insert the company's name because I consistently deliver results, take ownership, and make my manager's job easier. In my last role, I helped increase business through outstanding customer service, solved problems quickly, and earned trust by doing exactly what I said I would do. I will bring the same work ethic, reliability, and results-driven mindset to your team. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how I can add value in this role. Yours faithfully, insert your name and your contact telephone number. Cover letter number 2. Dear hiring manager, RE, application for, insert the job role or reference. I am applying for the insert the job role position at insert the company's name. Your role needs someone reliable, proactive, and focused on results, and that's exactly how I work. I've already proven I can deliver under pressure and add value quickly in my previous positions. I'd welcome the chance to do the same for you. Yours faithfully, insert your name and contact telephone number. Cover letter number 3. Dear hiring manager, RE, application for, insert the job role or reference. I am applying for, insert the job role position at, insert the company's name. Hiring me means immediate team fit, less time supervising, and measurable results. I focus on outcomes, not excuses, and I take ownership from day one. My goal is simple: to deliver more value than my salary costs. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how I can help insert the company name thrive. Yours faithfully, insert your name and contact telephone number. There you have it, 3 powerful and impactful cover letters. Don't forget, it's all well and good having a brilliant cover letter, but if your CV or resume is weak, you won't get hired. So the next thing to do is click that link right now in the top right hand corner of the video, go through to my website, cvmadeeasy.co.uk, and you can hire me to write your CV or resume for you based on your skills, knowledge, qualifications and experience, and also the job role you are applying for. My name is Richard McMahon. I have more than 30 years experience writing brilliant CVs and helping people get hired. Go through to my website and I will help you.